What number is exactly halfway between a quarter and a sixth? All right, so a quarter. A quarter is 0.25, so you should be remembering that fraction. A half is 0.5. All right, so here's a number line between 0 and a half. Okay, a quarter is going to fall in there. So that's a quarter. Okay, and we're looking for what number is exactly halfway between a quarter and a sixth. So a sixth is going to be about say there. That's where a sixth is. So it's not going to be a half. A half is bigger than a quarter. Okay, so we can rule out that one. So we've crossed it out. We've ruled out that one. And it's up to these other numbers. Okay, now let's look for the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6. All right, because I want to do some fraction work, I need to change these denominators so they're the same denominator, so I can easily add and subtract them. All right, so we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 6, 12, 18, and 24. So the lowest common multiple is 24. Now, I'm able to change these fractions, a quarter. If I times it by 6 over 6, it's going to be much easier for me to add and subtract. Okay, 6 over 6 is 1. So if I times any number by 1, it stays the same. So 1 times 6 is 6. And 4 times 6 is 24. So a quarter is equal to 6 over 24. So a quarter is equal to 6 over 24. They're the same fraction. All right? And what about a sixth? So 1 over 6. We're going to times that by 4 over 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So 1 over 6 equals 4 over 24. Okay? So now we know that a quarter is the same as 6 over 24, and a sixth is the same as 4 over 24. We can find out this number between them much easier. There's a number there. I don't know what it is right in the middle, but we can figure it out in a much easier fashion. All right, so how do we figure out that number? So first off, we're going to find the difference. So the difference is going to be 6 over 24. Our bigger number here, take away our smaller one, 4 over 24, which leaves me with 2 over 24. Then I need to divide that by 2. So I'm going to need to divide that number by 2. So that's the difference between them. And 2 over 24, I need to divide that by 2. And that's the same as dividing it by 2 over 1. Okay, 2 divided by 2 leaves me with 1. 24 divided by 1 is just 24. Okay, and now I'm going to go 4 over 24 which is my lower number here, 4 over 24, that number there, I'm going to add on half my difference, which gives me 5 over 24. So my answer is B, 5 over 24.